Yoga originated as an Eastern practice of meditation to reach union of the individual self with the universal, unlimited self, that we are the entire universe. As Patanjali said in his Yoga Sutras, Yoga, Chitta, Vritti, Nirodha, the yoga is about calming the mind. Yoga is about cessation of the movement between the two. So this was the traditional definition about yoga. The physical yoga practice that is known as asana was introduced much later in the history in order to prepare the body for the meditation, for more subtle practice. The asana, the physical practice, is the beginning point of understanding that body and mind, energy and spirit are interconnected. As we practice asana in the morning, the benefits, we can feel that as our direct experience. It clears any stagnancy and clears the space of the body, purifies, and through the asana practice, it sets the tone of the body for the coming day. So we are preparing the physical body as we practice asana in the morning, physical body as a vehicle of the soul, of the consciousness that resides within. That is our true identity. Let's think about like kitchen. Yeah, we cook food in the kitchen. If the kitchen, every time when we go to the kitchen and everything is organized, everything is clean, it helps us to be excited for what I'm going to cook, and then the process of cooking shall be easy, and we can have more fun and we can enjoy. And think about the really messy, chaotic kitchen. We can still cook, we can still keep going, but we don't probably feel as much joy or ease or effortlessness compared to when the kitchen is super organized and clean. So like that, it has a purpose. When we practice asana, it clears the space. And then this prepares for another experience to actually appear, that the physical body as a vehicle. When our body is clear and purified, we can enjoy life more. We can breathe more fully. We can radiate our prana, the life force energies, more. So that's why we recommend you to practice asana in the morning, to set the tone of the day, so that the taste of your coming day will be more shining and it will be more joyful. Even if you don't have a time, maybe 5 minutes would do. 5 minutes of Surya Namaskara will do. If you have time, 1 hour, 2 hours, that will be a great recharging and then great cleaning up of your vehicle of the consciousness. So let's feel a joy of having a clear diamond vajra body through our asana physical posture practice. 99% practice, 1% theory. See you on the yoga mat.